Hey guys, today we're going to keep going with simplifying fractions. The biggest skill that you need for this is actually just the multiplication tables. So if multiplication tables are something you struggle with, today might feel a little bit tricky, but it's okay, you can always list them out. Let's take a look at this first one. If I want to simplify the fraction 4/16, then I'm going to ask myself, what can I count by to get to both of those numbers? The easiest thing to look at is 4 even and is 16 even? They're both even numbers, which means you can count by 2 to get to both of them. That's the first thing I always ask myself. Because I can count by 2, I'm going to divide both numbers by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 16 divided by 2 is 8. To figure out if 2/8 is in the simplest form, again, I'm going to ask myself, is there anything I can count by? And because 2 is even and 8 is even, both of those are divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. Anytime you get 1, you can't simplify down anymore, so 1/4 is my final answer. Let's take a look at 18/27. This is even, and this is odd, so I know I can't count by 2's. If I can't count by 2's, then I'm going to ask, well, can I count by 3's? Let's do it. Let's see if I count by 3's and I hit 18 and 27. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, okay, 21, 24, 27. Yup, I counted by 3's and I said both numbers, so that means I can divide both of these by 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 27 divided by 3 is 9. To decide if 6/9 is in simplest form, I'm going to say, is there anything I can count by? Well, again, this number's even and this one's odd, so I know I can't count by 2. But I can count by 3's. 3, 6, 9. So I can divide both of these numbers by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. Both of these simplify down to 2/3. Last but not least, 9 over 81. 9/81ths. In this one, this is odd, and this is also odd, which means that I cannot count by 2 to get there. I can't divide by 2. I can divide by 3 in these, but what's even easier is I can divide by 9, because I know 9 times 1 is 9, and 9 times 9 is 81. So I'm going to divide this by 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 81 divided by 9 is 9. I've got 1/9. That's my final answer. Your turn to practice.